Hi there. Just finished work on the, let's say happy hair light version. Just one color, just for pushing the filament to the extruder without, too much power the extruder needs itself. So this is it at the moment. That's working by the early stage. I combined the PSF, you can find it in it, proportional filament sensor, sync sensor, and the Proto Extruder X2 together with end stops for gate and pre-gate check. All the wires go directly to the Big3Tech Manta board at the moment. Maybe make a version with the EBB 3.6 or 4.2 board and connect them via CAN or USB. But at the moment it's good enough. I found a model from the Proton Extruder X2 with this idea here, with the end stops, the D2F end stops from Voron and the ball bearing, but it was not very, let's say, the measurement was a bit too loose, so sometimes the gates were disabled, even there is a filament was inside, so it looks nearly the same, but I fixed the deeps of the holes, the deeps of the two switches, and the ball holes. So at the moment that works very well. I also modified this one here just to screw it directly to the top, because I do not have in the extruder I don't have end stop at the moment. I just do it with the Dramatic stall guard version, and if it travels fast to the extruder, then it has a high pressure on the PTFE in this moment. So this one here was connected with ECAS in my first, or in the original version, and the ECAS got loosened after 3-4 times doing that. So I just removed all that, screwed it together, and hope it works right now. That's my version. Proto Extruder, adapted dimensions for the ombrons, adapted dimensions for the screws, not adapted the play of the gears at the moment, but I will do that later. And attached and adapted directly the proportional filament sync feeder sensor. So that's it. Works very well at the moment, and let's see what the future brings to us. Thank you. You're a freaky dude.